Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using HealthTap AI. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into HealthTap AI, an innovative telehealth platform leveraging artificial intelligence to deliver swift and accessible healthcare consultations. Designed for those seeking reliable medical advice without the hassle of in-person appointments, HealthTap is especially valuable for busy professionals, families, and anyone embracing digital health solutions. A key feature of HealthTap is its AI-powered symptom checker. Using sophisticated machine learning algorithms, this tool analyzes your symptoms and proposes potential diagnoses. This provides immediate, personalized health assessments, saving you valuable time and empowering you to make informed decisions about your well-being. HealthTap also boasts 24/7 access to virtual consultations with licensed doctors via video, text, or voice chat. This flexible approach ensures you can receive care at your convenience, whether addressing minor ailments or more complex health concerns. Furthermore, HealthTap houses a vast health library packed with thousands of articles, videos, and other resources. This constantly updated content covers a wide range of health topics, keeping you well informed and engaged with your health journey. For added convenience and organization, the platform allows secure storage and management of your medical records. This simplifies tracking your health history and seamlessly sharing vital information with healthcare providers. HealthTap is ideal for anyone seeking a fast, affordable, and convenient pathway to healthcare access. Its AI-powered tools facilitate accurate health assessments and recommendations quickly and efficiently. Moreover, the platform's doctors deliver personalized care tailored to each individual's unique needs, ensuring attentive and comprehensive support. With its intuitive interface, real-time support, and dependable AI capabilities, HealthTap presents an excellent option for those seeking to enhance their healthcare experience. For a deeper dive, check out the links provided in the description below.